There's a bee buzzing on the pumpkin. See, it's still buzzing.
It's trying to pollinate it.
Hey, Lily. What's your ETA over there? Oh, there's another one over there.
I see it.
There's another one over there too.
We got overtaken by weeds. We tried to pull some. There's Colin.
Where are you going? Heads up.
Where? Oh.
Excellent.
In my mouth.
Lily,
I tripped on the pumpkin.
are you checking to make sure they're ready?
Pumpkins for life.
We're definitely gonna keep these.
I say,
Here.
Woo! Pumpkins!
put a sign
Pumpkins.
Well, when you're doing advertising, then yes, it is.
This is a video?
Yeah.
Yeah, I get so when I cut the string.
Don't drop the onion, please. Can you do it over the bucket so that the things are falling into the bucket for the pigs?
Is this hot glass?
No. Nobody knows how to do it until they learn.
I am my fingers.
Here you go.
You sure?
Target practice, go.
Okay, but I'm afraid I'm gonna hit one of them.
That's okay.
Honey, this thing's like
It's soft and juicy. Throw it. Come on, you can do it.
You sure you're ready?
Yeah, do it.
Okay. If I don't make it all the way there, you're deleting the video.
Okay. You made it more than
Go to the water. Visually. Burning tomatoes.
This is the best day of my life. You made it almost to the big pigs.
It rolled.
Oh, look at how happy they are. I'm sorry. This is pure entertainment, honey.
What?
Pure entertainment.
I'll find you need it.
That's good enough. Kale powder. Nope, nope, nope. Twist this part off. Okay, let's see.
I know you're looking for the visual. 6 leaves.
Really, it was 6 pieces, so it was probably only 3 leaves.
There's 6 of the long ones.
I know, but 2 of them come on each leaf.
Oh, then
Because
yes,
you-
you're correct.